I'm Denise Ortiz, and I'm a second grade teacher at Pineloch Elementary. I'm so excited to talk to you about the book Miss Nelson is Missing. The story Miss Nelson is Missing is about a teacher named Miss Nelson, and she's very sweet and kind. But unfortunately, her students are misbehaving. They're actually the worst class at school right now. So Miss Nelson decides to try to teach them a lesson, and she comes in as Miss Viola Swamp, a mean substitute teacher. Only the students don't know that it's actually Miss Nelson, and they start missing her, and they're thinking, where could she be? Because she's gone. And then Miss Nelson comes back to the classroom, and then the kids learn to behave. I like to use this book at the beginning of the school year, just because that way I can make the connection when I'm explaining to my students expectations and classroom rules and the importance of following rules and showing respect to others. When I read this book, I definitely like to stop and ask questions to the students just so they can retell and review what's been happening in the story, and just ask them questions like why, what happened in this part, or what has happened so far, or even making a prediction of what do you think is going to happen next. When the kids in Miss Nelson's classroom are thinking of different ideas of what happened to Miss Nelson, I like to stop there and ask my students, what do they think that happened to Miss Nelson? What are your ideas using your imagination and being creative? My students' favorite part from this book, it was definitely finding out that Miss Nelson is actually Miss Swamp. At the end, when they see an illustration of Miss Nelson in her bedroom and they see the closet, they can see that the Miss Swamp's dress is hanging. And that's when they make that click and that connection to realize that it was Miss Nelson the whole time. This is a great book to teach many reading comprehension skills, such as comparing and contrast, where you can compare Miss Swamp to Miss Nelson using a Venn diagram and see how they're different and how they are alike. Another reading comprehension skill that they can learn with this book is story elements, where they can say where the story happened, the setting, the problem and the solution, and the characters of the story. Another lesson that I like to use this book for is teaching character traits, where the students can use adjectives to describe how a character is in the inside, so personality, and how they are in the outside, how they look. Because the kids in Miss Nelson's classroom at the beginning, they were not showing respect to Miss Nelson, and that's why she decides to go missing. And the kids do learn a lesson and the value of appreciating when someone is being kind to you. My class loved Miss Nelson is Missing. It's a great book for a read aloud with an element of surprise. It's definitely a must have in any classroom or home library.